Hey adventurers, we're back on the road, and this time we're bringing you with us on one of the most unexpectedly awesome stops on our East Coast tour.
Pennsylvania, baby. Home of the gorgeous fall colors, cozy cabins in the woods, and sadly, not a single deer for Kylie to feed.
Tragic, truly. She's still emotionally recovering.
But don't worry, we found plenty of love. From rainy New Jersey skyline views to crossing a bridge for a birthday dinner, and even a sacred stop in Harmony with some powerful church history.
We stayed in a Shawnee on Delaware timeshare, another cute cabin tucked in the trees with that perfect cozy, we're basically camping but with Wi-Fi kind of vibe.
We love the woodsy setting, but bad news for Kylie. No wildlife to feed. No deer, no squirrels, not even a rogue raccoon.
We tried throwing carrots into the trees, just in case.
But she got over it, mostly. Because we kept the adventures rolling.
One of the coolest parts of this stop, we drove into New Jersey to see the Statue of Liberty from the Jersey side. Pro tip, it's way less crowded than the New York side.
We basically had Liberty State Park to ourselves. Just us, and the rain, and the wind, and freezing temperatures. Okay, maybe not freezing, but definitely cold.
Honestly, still worth it.
As we walked along the Liberty State Park walkway, we got views of Ellis Island, the statue, and even the New York skyline across the Hudson. It was beautiful, even if sometimes we couldn't feel our faces.
Wave. Buggy wave. Where are we at? In Paris. Jersey. What's this out here?
I actually stayed back a bit to snap some night shots once the city lights came on. Totally magical. Meanwhile,
We bailed. It was cold and wet. We regret nothing. But near our timeshare, we found this adorable little park just on the other side of a tunnel. Oh, and the tunnel? Big hit with the girls.
we went back several times, and let's be honest, it wasn't just for the girls.
They were trying to get this spinny chair of doom going, but couldn't quite figure out the technique.
I'm gonna fly again. Yo, this is weak. I'm trying. Come on, man. Oh my gosh, look, it says Roblox on it. It does.
Dad to the rescue. Pro tip, hold on tight, pull hard, spin like a crazy person, release. Stand back and enjoy the chaos.
He's been waiting his whole life to pass on that wisdom.
What?
I'm gonna push myself off.
I'm falling out. How do you hold it? Oh.
The handles.
This technique also works on the tire swing. It was fun spinning around, getting them dizzy.
It's even funner. Whoa, that hurts my back. Yeah, it does. Cool.
Not even close to it.
It feels like I am. Yeah, I know. My back. Whoa! Oh my god. Okay.
And then they tried to do it to me. Not quite as effective, but still had a lot of fun doing it.
Oh no! It's better than what we could do.
Oh man, I haven't done this in like 30 years.
3, 2, 1, jump! Yeah.
Now, this next part was extra special because we celebrated my birthday at the border of Pennsylvania and New Jersey.
Where are you guys at?
We're in both. At the 2 corner.
The 2 corner.
We crossed the Portland-Columbia pedestrian bridge over the Delaware River to this cute little spot called Fuller's Tavern and Grill.
Totally cozy pub vibes. And yes, Adam had to get the Philly cheesesteak because, well,
When in Pennsylvania. As we headed out of Pennsylvania, we made one last and very meaningful stop at the Priesthood Restoration Site in Harmony, Pennsylvania.
the drive was breathtaking. The fall foliage was showing off, and it set the tone for such a beautiful, peaceful visit.
This is where Joseph Smith and Oliver Cowdery received the priesthood, and where most of the Book of Mormon was translated.
And it's also where Joseph and Emma experienced some of their greatest personal loss, the passing of their infant son, who's buried here.
We also visited the graves of Emma's parents, Isaac and Elizabeth Hale. Harmony was Emma's childhood home, and her parents lived here long after Joseph and Emma moved on.
Seeing the actual house they lived in, hearing the stories of early church history, it was so powerful. A truly sacred experience for our family.
It gave us a whole new appreciation for their sacrifice, and the peacefulness of the area made it all sink in even deeper.
So that was our unforgettable stop in Pennsylvania.
Let's see if we can sum this trip up in one breath.
Stayed in a cozy cabin, no deer, Kylie's still salty, drove to Jersey to see Lady Liberty during her dramatic pose across the Hudson with 0 crowds and maximum rain, got skyline pics, spotted Ellis Island, froze our toes off, but Adam got the shot.
Found a fun park with a secret tunnel entrance and taught the girls how to properly spin themselves into oblivion. Crossed the river for Lacey's birthday dinner like true adventurers, and I honored Philly with a Philly cheesesteak tribute. You're welcome, Pennsylvania.
And before we rolled out, we made one last stop at the Priesthood Restoration Site in Harmony. Beautiful, sacred, and full of powerful stories. Also, fall foliage goals.
So no animals, all the rain, finger-numbing statue selfies, sacred history, and one wildly spinning playground. 10 out of 10 would definitely visit Pennsylvania again.
This state gave us a little bit of everything.
Next stop, Vermont. We've heard it's got even more fall magic, so make sure you're following along because you don't want to miss it.
If you're loving these road trip stops as much as we are, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Adventurepreneurs out.
Swinging. Say hi. Swinging along. Like you're on a bucking bronco or something, or what?
Yeah. Addie, wanna come join me?
Okay, rock out in the bug.
Okay. Do the little hand thing. Do the little hand thing.